According to a national survey from Home.com, about 40% of people said signing a new home mortgage can be the most stressful event in modern life. But it doesn't have to be that way.
Some concerns that I wanted to make sure that I had somebody local that I could rely on, that was going to answer timely questions, that was going to be at almost my beck and call. My other concern was just that it really met my financial needs from a standpoint as I am a first-time home buyer, so I don't have a ton of, I'm not sitting on a big pile of liquid cash here. I needed to make sure that it fits my needs.
Buying a new home, it's a very exciting point in everyone's life, but the financial part is usually pretty scary.
Finding the right guidance, and better yet, financial partners, can go a long way towards achieving the goal of home ownership.
Instead of going to a big bank or something like that, I like the small credit union feel because it does make me feel like I'm at home. You get a little bit better of customer service, it's local, you can walk in and rely on the people.
Georgia United Credit Union has been providing financial expertise and services to Georgians for over 62 years. Their members enjoy exceptional service and great financial benefits, including access to a breadth of mortgage solutions.
We do get a lot of comments that people are surprised we do mortgages. Less and less though, but Georgia United currently offers conventional home loans, VA loans. We've got home equity lines of credit or HELOCs. Lots of different products to help you with whatever needs you have with your home.
The way I landed at Georgia United was I actually became friends with my lender, Jason Trial. So I went ahead and did some due diligence. I filled out an application with Georgia United.
I get a lot of joy out of helping people find the home of their dreams and their forever home. Ryan had a very particular home he was looking for.
I've been looking for a house since last October, and this was an absolute box checker. 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. I wanted a pool, and I got a 20 by 40 in-ground pool. The backyard is an oasis. It is what sold me. When I say dream house, I'm talking this is an absolute dream house. My aunt is a longtime VP lender in a small town in Illinois. So at the end of the day, I had her take a look at the program Georgia United could provide. And to be honest, it was a very, very tough program to beat.
So we have a GUCU 100 program. It's a 100% financing program, 0% down payment for well-qualified borrowers, no monthly mortgage insurance. That's my favorite program. It helps a lot of first-time home buyers that don't have a lot of liquid cash get into a home.
So if you're visiting our branches, you'll meet with one of our financial service officers, and they will help you complete an application. Once the application is completed, it gets sent to somebody like me, a home loan consultant. We'll review the application and give you a call. At that point, we discuss your options, what products are available to you, and we guide you through the process from that point forward.
The major questions that homeowners should be asking are, what's my projected payment going to be? How much is my out-of-pocket expenses? You want to look at your total monthly gross income and your total monthly expenses, including your proposed mortgage payment, and you want that number to come in at under 43%. The most common mistake we see, don't make any major financial changes until after this mortgage closes. Don't apply for new loans, don't apply for new credit cards, don't have a major job change. All of those can factor into your qualification.
Georgia United also upholds a mission to enrich the lives of people in their communities.
Our purpose at Georgia United is to enrich lives in the communities that we serve.
So one of the great things about Georgia United is we have the Georgia United Foundation. We reach out to the community.
And we do everything we can to give back, and it's just in our nature and in our blood at Georgia United.
If it wasn't for Jason and the dedicated work of him and his team, my realtor, I wouldn't be where I'm at. And to be honest, this is, you don't want to get cliche and use the term forever home, but I legitimately will be in this house for the next 10 to 15 years, and I honestly couldn't be happier.
Give us a call, ask us questions, be more informed and more educated about the home buying process. We'll be here for you when you're ready.
To learn more about the mortgage solutions and community impact provided by Georgia United Credit Union, an equal housing lender insured by the NCUA, visit gucu.org or designingspaces.tv.